The you know, for like novice, I'll just go down and give you some examples. You know, for a novice, the street performance pad is like up to 800 degrees. Well, I mean, if you're just first time on track and novice, you could get to 800 degrees because you're not really going to know about really hard braking yet. If you're sort of a novice, but maybe drive a little harder, have like a good brake package, there's another sort of track pad that goes up to 1,000 degrees. Then we start getting into the track pads, and the first level of track pad goes up to 1,250. That'd be kind of like an intermediate guy that isn't really into super threshold braking. And then we get into like advanced, or somebody that's into hard threshold braking. And we've got the ones I use the most. This one goes to 1,400 degrees. Kind of use that on the back. And this other one goes to, turn the page. This goes up to 1,800 degrees. And then we go up in our race pads. This goes up to 2,000, and one that goes up to 2,100. So getting the right brake pad for the temperature that your brakes are running is really, really critical. Because if you don't have the right compound for what you're doing and temperature running, they're gonna wear out fast. You could look at a high performance street pad that's good to 800 degrees. And you can use them, but what's going to happen? The temperature's going to go up, which means your friction is going to start to go down, and then your wear is going to really accelerate. So on most pads, as temperature go up, wear increases and friction goes down, except when you get into the range. You know, the pads are designed for a specific temperature. Now, I run like 1,200 degrees, and the pads that I use the most, have been using the most, are the DTC 70s. That's kind of a race pad for Hawk, and that's good to 1,600 degrees, and optimum range is like 1,200. So that's kind of like matching the pad for the application. Now, if we were going to go, you know, serious racing, there's some other pad choices we use, because racing is like you're either on the gas or on the brake, and you're doing threshold braking, getting as deep as you can in the corner, braking as late as possible, which makes a lot of heat in the brakes.